Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got this double chamber split cup. I've got the black and white in there and I'm going to use that as a base for this canvas. Then I'm going to swipe with this rainbow of colours. I don't have green because when I mix the blue and the yellow I'm expecting to get some green. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to pour this directly onto my canvas and I've got it on a spinner here so that I can turn it very easily. I had a video where I tried to do the concentration time. Tried different split cup sizes, different amount of chambers, and I layered colours in this one and I wish I hadn't. So the idea here is to see what happens if it's just two colours. And I thought black and white, great contrasting colours, and I can use this as a backdrop for a colourful swipe. So I'm just slowly turning. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas and I expect that this cup is going to actually be fine amount on its own. So then I won't be adding a huge amount of colour with my swipes. I'm just trying to get that really pretty feathery effect. And I'm going to go back in a different direction shortly. I'm going to bring it this way. I'll probably need to, once I've tipped all this out, I think what I will do is tilt the canvas a bit to get it evenly on the canvas. And then I can swipe on it. Oops. This is a bit different. Got some real wobbles going through. Okay, we're getting down to the end. I'm tipping it up further. And then I will catch the end. And I've got a feeling that I only got that on one camera. So I'm just going to check my cameras. We're on now, so let's just tilt this a bit. I'm just wondering if I need a bit extra, because it doesn't look like a huge amount. That's the rest of my black, and I've got some white in here and put around as well. Just because I'm never too sure. That's just will come with experience. All right. Just meet up there. My white. quite like this wispy bit through here. And I think that we've got some interesting effect over here. So now I've got to decide where I'm going to put my colours. And I'm going to start with the red. I guess I want to keep that, so maybe I want to come around the outside here. Let's try it on the edge first. I'm going to see if I can sweep around, I think. So yeah, red first. So I'm going to sweep around that way. Oh, I just don't know. So I definitely want to keep some of this feathery look. This is Azo Yellow Deep. And this is Manganese Blue. So I'm expecting to get a green blend out of these two together. And then I have Phthalo Blue. Now I do have a little bit of this purple colour. I might actually add a little bit of purple as well. It's probably got like deep violet. So I'm going to come around this way. I probably want to keep that, so I might just go around there, and then I might come back through the middle, I think. So I'm going to use this size palette knife with my white swipe mix. I'm just spreading it on. We'll tip it off a bit. All right, here we go. See, the red's disappearing. Do I want to add a bit more red? Just so I've got a good spot to start. Okay, here we go. That's pretty. Wow, I like that. Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm excited now. Okay. Let's see, where do I want to go next? I guess I want to keep this bit. If I come from here up, I'm going to lose that, but I'm not too phased. I'm just going to keep a hint of it, I think. So, and maybe this little bit down here. Just, I keep applying the yellow. I'm just trying to, looking at the other one thinking, okay, so I want some yellow, and some of this yellow is going to turn into green, so. Now I did get some purple in there, so I'm going to try for that again. All right, this is getting close to the edge, so let's get it going. The actual white lacing through the black as well, which is pretty good. Oh no, it's tipping off. Oops. Okay, we're getting messy now. Here we go. Okay. Might have had a bit of extra on there. We'll see how this pops out. Get my spoon and just bring this through, I think. It's probably going to tip off, but I just wanted to give it something. I'm going to keep that through the middle there. Alright, I'm going to give this a little tilt. And then I think I'm going to give it a spin. I want to get some movement. Add a bit of white up here. All right, I'm going to try spinning that, I think. I'll probably go between tilting and spinning. See if we can get a really nice composition. Plus it's not sitting perfectly on the spinner. But let's just give it a little bit of spreading out. Wow. I'm losing the red off the other side. Thinking I need to add some colour up there and down here just to help it spin off. Sometimes just wetting it down helps. I'll add a little bit of yellow there, maybe here as well. Maybe a bit of the blue down here. Just a few little tricks. I hope I don't lose this red, that's all. I really want to keep that. Maybe I do have to tilt to be able to keep that. Go slow. And I'm just going to come off all this side if I can. Oh, no. This is so awkward. Now I've got to get my composition back. I haven't got a huge amount of red, but I'm glad I did keep some. And I'm happy with that black in the corner. I like having the yellow there, but I just want a bit less of that black. More like that. Now I'm just trying to get the black that I have to look cool through the middle. Alright, I'm going to move my spinner out the way because I'm not going to use it. You know what? I wish that I'd done this on a much bigger piece. The colours look fantastic. I'm glad I added that purple. Cool. I've got a real flow through there now. Just looking at this, I kind of just want to tip this off. So I'm going to give it a very slow tilt. So I'll speed this up. I'm probably going to lose my yellow. Now, I'll just get my composition right. All right. Don't want to mess up my lacing too much. Okay. Here is the wet result. I've got a bit of glare from my lights, sorry guys, but I'll bring you in a bit closer. So I've got the beautiful rainbow here at the bottom, and the white lacing did creep over onto the black, and then we come up to the split cup area, which gives a bit of dynamic, and then up the top we've got the blues and the purples, and they look so pretty together. Yeah, so there you go. I wish I'd done this on a bigger piece, and I may do something along these lines in the future. So yeah, I'll bring you back when it is dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and I'll bring you in. So we've got the lovely bright colours through there. Then we've got this white and black feathery effect, a big sort of swish or something, and then through the bottom, or if you have it up this way, we've got the purples and the blues blended together in all sorts of different shades. So I'll show you the different angles. That's with the black at the bottom. It's like a big mountain, a big colourful mountain with some snow maybe on top, and then the sky. Don't know. I'm just coming up with stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I think I do like the colours at the top, but I don't know. Anyway, that's it for this one. I need to get on and finish setting up my studio properly, but I just want to paint. And yeah, so that's it for this one, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.